Tuloy-tuloy ang labanan ng dalawang Dabber Cats teams dito sa palarong walang kapares.
Eat Bulaga Olympics!
Wala talagang kapares yan.
Yan, no? Ito ang pinakamalaking sports event sa tanghalian na bukod sa palakasan at pabilisan sa challenges, may hulaan, may kantahan, at higit sa lahat, bayanihan.
Yan. Update po muna tayo, Dabber Cats. Last week po, red ang nanalo. Ngayong linggong to, aling team kaya ang magwawagi? Abangan natin yan. Maya-maya lang, Dabber Cats.
Yeah.
Warm-up cheer muna tayo. Ito na ang yellow team with team captain Wale Bayola. Here we go!
Come on, Dabber Cats!
Yellow ball! Hey, 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 hey,
Yellow!
That today's gonna be a good day. That today's gonna be a good day. That today's gonna be a good.
Come on, Dabber Cats!
I'm feeling.
Put your hands up in the air!
That today's gonna be a good day. That today's gonna be a good day. That today's gonna be a good day.
Let's go!
Today's the day. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's live it up. Go on and smash it like oh my god. Jump on the sofa. Let's kick it. That today's gonna be a good day. That today's gonna be a good day. That today's gonna be a good day. I gotta feel it.
Come on, Yellow! Y!
E-L-L-O-W.
Go! Albany! Uy! Parang sinangkanan agad si Arbony. Ito naman ang red team na pinangungunahan ng kanilang team captain, Rizame Dizon!
Yeah, yeah. Come on, everybody.
Too hot, hot jam. All the police and the fireman. Too hot, hot jam. Make a dragon wanna retire man. Too hot, hot jam. Say my name, you know who I am. Stop, stop, pump, don't give it here. Stop, stop, pump, don't give it here. Saturday night when we hit the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Hey, 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 hey. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up.
Uptown, funk you up.
Uptown, funk you up.
Come on. Hey.
Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Red! Ganda.
Maliit naman.
Yan na yun, ha? Aba, parang, ano yan? Parang may doble cara ka.
Hindi, this way. Pataas. Ano yan? This way. Ito ang tatalo sa inyo.
Ay, ready na po. Ready na ang mga players natin this week. Pares Olympics tayo. Dito sa walang kapares. Dahil, kasi bawat game, magbabayanihan ang magkapares. Magkapares yan. Galingan nyo dahil ang mananalong grupo, mas malaki na ang tatanggapin.
Ay, taray! Magkano ba last week?
Last week, 4,600 pesos. Hati-hati sila.
Eh ngayon,
Ang mananalo ngayon ay mag-uwi ng 4,700 pesos.
asensado, Innocent. Tignan kakano sila.
Tignan 940.
Hindi na simula. Hindi na masama.
Grabe, makakabili
Simulan
na
na
ako ng
natin.
tornilyo.
At simulan na natin ang rematch ng Yellow and Red Team.
Team Studio, pwede niyong suportahan ang team na gusto niyo. Okay?
Aba, teka muna. Pero
Yellow!
sila mga napili.
Yung team na sa tingin niyo mananalo, para sa chance niyong manalo din, namili na sila kanina ng team na bet nila.
Ayan. O ibig mo sabihin, pagka yung naka-yellow o naka-red na mga hawak sila, yun ang chinichir nila, pag nanalo, may premyo sila?
May panalo rin sila.
Pero ano na, nakapili na Tito Sen, so walang balimbingan dito.
Wala.
Para sa kaligtasan ng lahat, Naka-standby ang ating mga medic. At sana, ayan, mga medic natin, naka-standby na. Alright?
Hindi tayo mawawalan. Kasama pa rin natin mag-assist ang mga Vortas!
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot, hot, hot?
Mamalo.
Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was free?
Dito, Sen, may sino ba yan? Oh,
You know.
Muntik na ako.
Magdahan-dahan katagamaan mo si Tito Sen.
Umaging.
Muntik na!
Umaging, mga 2 minutes.
Buti na lang maliit ang bias.
Mga 2 inches.
Nakita ko hinangin yung bigote mo dito, Sen.
Muntik na. 2 inches eh. Game 1 na tayo. Yellow and red team. Ito na ang game 1.
Yeah.
Ayan! Ang tawag dito, javelin straw with bayanihan.
Ha?
Teamwork dapat.
Ano yung magka-partner?
Oo! Isushoot ng magkapares ang straw sa bote. Kapag na-shoot na, kailangan ubusin ang nakahandang dessert at saka babalik sa base para sunduin ang susunod na pares.
Tapos, yung dessert, dala-dalawa rin.
Dalawa.
Pabilisan lang ha. Okay, pabilisan niya. Alam niyo na, manuhan tayo.
Manuhan,
Captain.
Riza, Wally.
Lumulusog ka, ito yan. Wala lusubat, tinatakot mo yung boss namin eh.
Manuhan lang po. Relax.
Alam ko mas malaki ka dyan eh. Huwag mong ano eh.
Bakit mo? Ganito ha. Ang mananalo ang una.
Okay po.
Ang mananalo ang
Okay.
una. Yan ang usapan ha.
Okay, Wally versus Arbuni. Ay,
Bato, pick! O, panalo ka, Wally.
Panalo.
Kayo mauna.
Kayo na.
are you with that?
Relax muna, Team Red.
Okay.
O, tignan nyo
red team.
kami kung gaano kami katahimik ha. Pag
Tama.
sila ha. Tignan nyo lang ha.
Oo nga.
Okay,
sige.
una ang yellow team. Are you guys ready?
Ilagay mo na yung bote.
Game 1.
Kami wala kami.
Ay, teka muna. Hindi ba iba-blindfold yung mga hindi maglalaro para
Hindi na po,
hindi nila
Tito Sen.
makita style?
Ay, yung
Hindi,
pares-pares.
kailangan.
Yes.
Kailangan. Ha? Nanggugulang eh.
Ganon din yung Tito
Dapat
Sen.
ba blindfold natin yung pula? Para hindi makakita? Oh, blindfold.
Para hindi makita yung technique.
Para hindi nila makita yung technique.
Para hindi magkakopyahan ng technique.
Sige, mamalan habang nagba-blindfold yung red team, bunot na tayo ng mga pares.
Oh, yes. Ako na bubunot.
Sa yellow,
Para sa yellow.
Bunot tayo isa.
Number 2.
Sino number 2?
And
Ikaw, Sam. At saka...
pares ni number 2 ay si number 3.
Two,
Maghawak
three.
kamay na kayo.
Paulo. Ayan, kayo.
Ang susunod na pares, si number 6 at si number 1.
Si Arboni.
1 and 6.
Tsaka si... Sino ka-partner?
6 and 1.
Si Wally! Si Arboni ang ka-partner, si Wally!
Paano babantay yan?
Oy, Mayor.
Oh, naka-blindfold ako.
And of course, ang last pair ninyo ay number 4 and number 5. Okay.
Si Eunice and Casey.
Tandaan nyo ha.
Hindi magsisimula ito hanggang hindi ka nagba-blindfold.
Blindfold kayo.
Blindfold mo
Hey,
na, blindfold, Red.
Guys, blindfold tayo para alam
Touch.
di tayo ng dadaya, ha?
Walang
blindfold.
ano. Walang
Ganda ng
kulangan,
blindfold dito sa batok ko.
ha? Yung blindfold.
Mayor, hindi ho yung third eye ang tatakpan. Yung sa harap. Yan.
Paano naman ang blindfold nila nakadilat daw?
Oy, Tasha.
Nagreklamo yung yellow.
Tasha.
Suot mo yan,
okay.
Tash.
Alright.
Okay.
So for this first game, Ma'am Alan, pair number 1 is Paolo and Sam. Pair number 2 are Bonnie and Wally. And pair number 3,
Casey and Eunice. Okay. Pares. Are you ready? Ready, yellow
Ready.
team? Ready. Okay,
ng
pili
straw.
ng straw. And... Uy, ang
Timer
haba. And...
starts.
Go!
Ay, Ma'am Alan, importante pala dito yung height, ano?
Oo.
Kailangan medyo papantay.
Oops.
Hop, walang hawak.
In fairness sa'yo, Pao, ah. Oops. Nahulog. Ulit.
Ibang klaseng teamwork ang kailangan. Yan. Hop, ibang diskarte.
Oh. Hala. Mahirap ba mag-shoot pag dalawa? Ba't parang ang bilis nyo pag mag-isa lang? Sige, tira! Oop!
Yan na,
Ay,
malapit na.
lumampas!
Malapit na,
Isa
malapit
pa,
na.
isa pa.
Oh, wag niyo mahawakan. Hinahawakan niyo eh.
Mayor.
Wag niyo hawakan.
Akala ko ba
Ayan na,
naka-blindfold?
nasa bibig na ng bote.
Naka-blindfold ka, walang kumahawak.
Mahawak nakita ko eh.
Ay, lumampas na naman.
Kapag alas 3, hindi pa tayo tapos sa uwian na.
Oo.
1 minute
First
15.
challenge pa lang to, ah. Okay.
Oh, yung mga audience sa haba ng uso, oh.
Ayun, nag-shoot! Yo!
Ay, nawakan, nakita ko.
1 point.
Tinulak ni Paolo eh.
Ayan na, dessert na, dessert.
Mahaba
Hindi
talaga
na, oh.
kasi, ma.
Pakita natin sa slow-mo yan, ha. Tinulak ng
Ang
kamay. Eh.
nakuhang dessert ay... Ampalaya.
Ang palaya.
Ay, pakita,
Nga
pakita.
nga. Pag wala na sa bibig. Nga nga, Paulo. Oh, wala.
Go,
Sam.
Alright, we're
Okay.
good. Pair number 2.
Stop.
Wally and Arboni.
Ay, ang iksi.
Ito yung sinasabi natin yung
Kayang-kaya.
height difference eh. At talagang si Arboni pa yung yumuyuko, ha?
Alayo. Alayo.
Oh, yung kamay, yung kamay, yung kamay.
Mayor, akala ko ba naka-blindfold ka?
Oo nga.
Nagpalit.
Nulaan ko lang.
Ayan na.
Antay yung kamay.
Hop.
Ba't gano'n nakanguso na si Arboni? Ang ganda pa rin.
Miss Universe yan.
Oh, wag sa bibig, sa kamay.
Ayan na. Go Arboni. Go Wally.
Hoy! Sama! Alright!
2 points!
Next!
Ayan na. Dessert naman. Ang napili
Kain mo
nila
na, kain.
ay... Ang napili nila, marshmallow na may tabasco.
Marshmallow na may tabasco? Grabe naman.
Okay, tapos na yung kay Wally. Arboni, what about you? Okay, almost na. Pair number 3, go! Eunice and Casey. Last pair for
Ang
Team
malas pala
Yellow.
yung naunang pair, mahaba yung straw nila. Oh,
Come on, singing queens.
Dapat, pag nalalaglag, yung ilong din ang pinakukuha, tsaka yung uso.
Okay.
ayun!
Dessert.
Dessert!
Ang kanilang nakuha ay...
Dynamite.
Dynamite.
Dynamite na nakuha.
Dynamite po.
Oh, paubos na lang natin.
Go, ladies.
Umabot naman in that time of Nick.
Okay.
Ano kung usap ay dalawa, masarap daw.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Nako, sakto silang 4 minutes.
Official time ng Yellow, Ma'am Alan, ay 4 minutes with
Sa straw.
3:51. Tatlong straw ang kanilang
Yes.
official na naipasok.
Pero naubos nila yung 4 minutes dahil dun sa dessert.
Right.
Okay. Thank you, Yellow! May medyo magandang score yun. Tingnan natin ang talent ng Red Team.
Alright, Red Team. Ito na, bunot na tayo ng mga pares nila, Ma'am Alan.
Okay.
Okay. Red, eto na.
Handa-handa na si Mayor, ha?
Pair number 1 for Red Team.
Aba, yun mo nga naman, oh. 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Sino ang 1 and 2? Kayo agad ang magkapares.
Mayor, tsaka si Ann, singing queen Ann. Pair number 2.
Hala! Susunod, 3 and 4.
Oh.
So alam na natin, 5 and 6 yung last.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Si
5,
Atasha,
6.
tsaka si Riza, and pair number 3 is Karen and Jean.
Are you ready? Ready?
Ba't ka ka, Mayor.
Mayor, ang time to beat nyo, 3 minutes 51 seconds for 3 points, ha?
Oh, yabang. Ano, Mayor?
Napakatagal.
Tagal nyo raw.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, straw.
Red team, bunot mo na ng straw. Ann, ikaw na.
Ready. Up.
Uy, maigsi.
Go.
Ready,
Timer. Go.
go! Lit pala ng ilong ni Ann, no? Oops! Oops! Ay! Ay! Lampas!
Oh! Bakit tinahawakan? Ay! Ay!
Hop, hop.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Naku, sayang. Napasok na eh. Oh, ayan. Sige, sige. Kinambyo.
Iba-ibang taktika. Oh! Iba-ibang taktika eh. Ayan na.
Ay, labas.
Kamay sa likod.
Oop.
Ayan.
Ayun, ayun, pumasok.
Ayun na.
Tulak na lang, tulak.
Taas. Taas, Ann. Taas. Yan.
Yun.
Ay! Dessert! Dessert!
Dessert, dessert.
Okay! Ang kanilang nakuha, dynamite!
Kain.
Ayan, dynamite.
Masarap yan.
Bakit?
Tapos na si Mayor. Oh, sige, Queen Anne.
Bakit sininghot mo yung model?
Okay!
Okay,
Pair
next.
number 2. Tasha and Arbuni. Go, Tasha!
Huwag mong hilain, Natasha. Alam mo naman maliit ang ilong ni Raisa. Ayan!
Hindi, may advantage din to mamahalan eh, oh. May advantage din yan eh. Kasi yung sakto si Raisa eh, oh.
Taas pa na.
Bakit? Ayun.
Yo!
2 points! Go! Dessert! Dessert! Ang kanilang nakuha ay grapes na may siling labuyo.
Wow! Ang bilis.
Next pair,
Last!
Karen and Jean.
Ito na. Nakasalalay sa inyo ang panalo at talo. Nakasalalay na sa inyo.
Ay! Kamay sa likod. Dessert!
Galing! Ang haba nun ah!
Ang kanilang nakuha ay chocolate coated sibuyas.
Ayabang ng red.
Nga nga, Cars. Hey! Okay. Tapos na ang round 1.
Ano yung sinasabi mo? Halika rito. Ano?
Ano yung Cars?
Sibuyas na naman yung kinain ko.
Lagi ka bang sibuyas?
Pero,
Ano ba
pero
yan?
Karen, this week, chocolate covered naman.
Oo, in fairness.
Ikaw, Arboni, ano yung masasabi?
Oh, just wait. We still have time, okay?
No more time.
Okay, ito yung official result ha. Ma'am Alan, yung
Yes.
pong yellow, naka 3 straws sila in 3 minutes 51 seconds. Ang
Ang
red,
red.
naka 3 straws in 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Ibig sabihin, panalo ang red sa round 1. Pero round 1 pa lang naman yun kasi.
Sigaw ito. Sige, mapagod kayo. Okay.
Ayan na.
Nagse-celebrate
Meron
ang
muna
red
tayo,
team.
Mamahala, may highlights of the game tayo.
May
Tingnan
instant
natin.
replay.
Yan din.
Patingin.
Highlights. Instant replay. Highlight of the game.
Tinulak yung kamay, kita nyo, talo rin.
Ito yung marshmallow na may tabasco eh. Ayan.
Nagagalit na yung kalbo.
Oh, galing.
Oh, nice job.
Late na ako ng dalawa eh.
Casey, yung uso mo. Ay, nalaglag.
Ito na yung sa red.
Oo. Ayan na. Nasungal-ngal na.
Sininghot eh.
Nasungal-ngal eh.
Sininghot.
Pinapanguyan.
Bawal yun eh.
Pangalso.
Ito. May ginawa si Tasha, tinaas niya yung sarili niya,
Bayanihan nga eh. Ganun dapat eh.
Ito. Ayan.
Wala kamay ah.
Ayun.
Tinulak yung pangay.
Yun ang tactic nung Red. Ginalaw yung mga players. Good job. Nasa rules yan.
Okay. Game 2 na tayo. May chance pang bumawi ang yellow team.
Alright.
Kasi talagang nanalo yung red team sa una. Pero yellow team,
Yan.
Babawi yan.
May chance ang bumawi dito, Sen. Kaya yellow and red team, eto na ang Game 2!
Eto na. Ito yung gusto ko eh. Magdo-drawing lang kayo at huhulaan ng kampi nyo. 1 point pag nahulaan ng title. Plus 1 point pag nakanta. Musical ito ibig sabihin.
gaya na rin sa game 1, bayanihan pa rin ha. Magkapares ang magdo-drawing. Salitan kayo. Sa loob ng 90 seconds, pwede kayong 60 seconds, tigta 20 seconds. Palitan. 20 seconds, do-drawing isa, hindi pa nahuhulaan, palit yung isa.
Sa isang word lang po yun.
Sa
Tito
isang
Sen?
word
Yes.
na yun. Tapos, balik, palit uli, okay? Pares eh.
Oh,
Alright.
correct.
Alright,
Eto
pairing.
na.
Oh.
Paramihan ng points.
Para sa Olympics, paramihan ulit ito ng points.
Ano ba ang desisyon? 60 seconds lang talaga o 90? 60 talaga.
So 60
Okay.
seconds. And then ang halftime po ng palit, Tito Sen, 30
Paano
seconds.
po yung ganyang may gout ako?
Ha?
Lagi kang may may kapansanan pag drawingan na.
Ganyan talaga.
Ang lakas-lakas mo pag buong linggo.
Ang magkapares, taga-drawing, odd and even. Ano?
Oh, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6.
Yan.
Okay.
Magkapares yan, okay? O, sino ang una?
Mauna ang yellow uli.
Hindi.
Red this time.
Oh, red this
Red
time.
kayo
Okay.
naman. So
Red
1 and 2, sino mauna?
1, 2.
Sino
po magdodrawing?
Sino 2?
Automatic na magkapares na yung number 1 and number 2.
Kami din. Ano oras ba yan?
Okay. Sino si Juan? Ikaw?
Hindi. Hi.
Sino ba 1?
Okay, automatic yan, guys. 4 players manghuhula, 2 ang mag-drawing.
Dito kayo sa kabila. Yellow dito kayo sa kabila. Para ano yan?
Magkatabi na. Pwede
magkatabi
magturuan.
Oo.
Okay.
Basta yung magdo-drawing isa. Okay. Ay, hindi ka
Doon,
pwede
please,
dito. Doon ka.
Oh, bunot ng word.
Bunot ang word. Ready?
Akin na. Bawal ba kita ng mga teammates niyo?
Oo. Binubuksan yan.
Letter po, ito. Yan.
Ito naman, oh, parang hindi taga-clowns eh. Putik. Muntik na masira. Alam niyo na. Okay. P.
Okay.
Ready?
Mauna si Mayor.
Ako, ang lakas ng
Ready.
loob ko mauna.
Timer starts now.
English. Two words. First word. One syllable. Two syllables.
Eyes.
Box.
No box.
Door.
Door.
Pinto. Ay, joke.
Door. Open. Leave.
Open.
Door.
Open. Open.
Open
arms.
arms.
Open arms. Don't lie.
Itaas po natin ang ating mga kamay. Ipikit ang ating mga mata. Sa mga oras na to, sinasabi namin sa inyo, ang yellow team ay uuwi. Uuwi. Uuwing iiyak. Itaas ang ating mga kamay.
Congratulations, Red Team!
Pwede bang malaman, ilang segundo lang namin nakuha yan. Baka magkatalo sa oras, ilang segundo.
Mayor, ang maganda dyan, automatic 2 points na po kayo dahil nahulaan ang word at nakanta ninyo.
2 points. Yeah. O,
Next
nasaan na
pair.
si 3 and 4?
3 and 4.
Atasha and Riza.
And open arms.
Arbony, I just want to introduce to you formally our Dabber Cats. Atasha here is the daughter of a former Miss Universe, second runner-up, held here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
And
Charlene, good song.
her mom also is a good mom. Kind, understanding, and a good mom. Okay.
Uy, beauty titlist din tong si Raisa.
Oo.
Bunot,
Little
bunot.
Miss.
Open arms.
Muna.
Hindi ka ba na-post?
Pick one.
Okay, pick a word, guys. Oh, wali, hindi ka pwede dito.
M.
Itong yellow team, para-paraan din eh. Okay, ready?
What?
What's si Atasha? What?
Timer ready?
Ano yan po?
Saan ang tingin kay Tito Sen?
Players
Parang
ready?
may problema sila.
Ready?
Get set.
Go!
English. Kaya nyo yan. 3 word.
Four words.
First word.
Mountain.
Up.
Sun. Sunshine.
Hill.
Bridge.
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 Bridge over troubled water.
Ah! When you're down,
Yeah. Go Karen. Go Karen. Woo.
When you're on the street,
Oh yeah.
when in the
darling, your eyes,
I will dry them all.
Itaas ang ating mga kamay.
Let's go.
Everybody! Bring me down. Everybody!
Like a bridge over troubled water.
I will lay you down.
Itataas pa yan, itataas.
Like a bridge over troubled water. Everybody! I will lead you down.
Red team now has 4 points. Okay, next pair, 5 and 6.
5 and 6. 5 and 6.
1 point
Oh.
nahulaan.
Yes.
2 points
Hindi, 1 point din pag
Nakanta.
nakanta.
Yes.
Nakanta.
Hindi ba pwedeng 3 points dahil may audience participation?
Wala.
Yung mga nakahawak ng plug ng yellow, huwag kayong makiano.
And then 2 points lang talaga.
Oh,
2
5 and
points.
6. 5 and 6.
Take me.
Mayor, last week pa yan. Last week pa yan, Okay. Last pair para sa ating red team is Jane and Karen.
All right.
Okay. And the word
Letter
is...
F.
Ay!
F.
Like a breeze.
Uy! Wala pa!
Tapos na, Mayor.
Ma-all the way kaya
Okay.
ng red to? Kung 6
Ba't
points.
nanalo pa kami rito? Wala na, tapos na to.
Parang ganun yung
Hindi.
pagkakasabi kanina, Mayor eh.
May game 3 yan.
Hindi, pero Mayor, may game 3 pa tayo.
Ready. Sorry, walang turuan. No coaching.
Alright, ready? Ready, players?
Ready?
Jay.
Go!
English.
Puro English kami, ha?
One word.
Look, sounds like.
Sounds like.
Tutuli.
Sounds like.
Sounds like. Sounds like an Egyptian. Battle.
Salt. 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 Garbage.
Glass.
Can. Capture. Pepper.
Sounds like.
Salt
Coins.
and pepper.
Coins.
Coin. Coin.
Ano?
Okay,
Money.
30 seconds done. Switch
Price
players.
tag. Price tag. Money bag. Calendar. Calendar. Calendar coin.
Ay, may letter. Hindi pwede yan.
Change.
Hindi pwede
Play.
yan. May letter.
Play.
Coin.
Sige, go for it. Go for
Okay,
it, G.
next.
Sounds like.
Sounds like.
Ano yan?
Uy, anong minus 10
Bean.
points yellow? Hindi.
Sounds like.
Bean. 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 Beanie. Beanie Jean. Billie Jean.
Bean.
Billionaire. Billionaire.
Up, 1
Bean.
minute. Sorry.
Beanie. Beanie.
Wala na.
Beanie Cage.
Bin. Bin.
Bean.
Tapos na
Bini
yung,
Chin.
tapos na yung 1 minute.
Bin. Bin.
Vincent.
Mas
Bini Chin.
maganda, nag-drawing kayo ng tao, nilagyan nyo ng bigote.
You know. Paint your palette blue and gray.
Sari-sari
Ano
store.
title niya?
Sari-sari store.
Starry Night, Vincent.
Sari store.
Okay.
Alright.
Red team.
No
Sing
points.
your flower, red
For
and
round 2,
green.
Ma'am Alan, officially, ang score ng red team ay 4 points.
4 points. Okay.
Yellow team, you're up
It's your
next.
turn.
O, ganun din. 1 and 2, magkapares. May isa
May
pa.
isa pang ikot. Okay, okay,
may isa
okay.
pang round.
So balik dito ang 1 and 2.
Kami ulit?
May round
Oo.
2.
May
Okay.
second round pala.
Kasi kayo talaga ni Ana pinakamagaling.
Ayan. Mayor, bunot,
Bunot.
please.
Will you please magabunot? May sakit pagdodrawing. Ops, sige kay Tito Sen.
Ano na? Up, 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 up. Okay.
Ready?
Go. Go.
Ready?
ready.
And
K.
go!
English Tagalog. English Tagalog. 4 words. 4 words. 5 words. 6. 1, 2, 3, English. 6 English. Okay, sige. Yung first word ay... Last word ay... Person. Moon. 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 Climbing to the moon. Moon River. Moon River. Wild and a sea. A mile.
Sunset.
Sun. Sunshine.
Night. Evening.
You are my sunshine.
Evening.
Evening.
Evening. Evening. Evening.
First word. First word.
Ano yung first word?
Ano yung first word?
Change,
Evening.
change artist.
Can?
Evening.
Can? Can? Can you feel the love tonight?
Wow!
Can you feel the love tonight? Tonight is where we are. And tonight, there is I wonderful.
Nandito pa.
There we are.
Mayor, last week pa yan.
From the movie, Lion King. Starring Alan King.
Uy! Additional 2 points yun!
Yes, 6 points na ngayon ang meron.
Oh,
ng red.
additional nga 2. So 6 na.
Yeah.
Number 3 and
Okay,
4.
next pair.
Next
3
pair.
and 4.
Yan. Touch and rise again. Bunot,
Bunot.
please. Okay.
Letter R.
Review the word, ha?
Feel the love.
Ready?
Timer starts.
Go!
Tagalog.
1.
Tagalog.
Bahay kubo.
Kamay.
Hawak kamay. Hawak kamay.
3. Hawak. Kamay. Kamay.
Dahon.
Dahon. Puno.
Gulong ng palad.
Puno.
Ano ba?
Wala pong
Dahon.
senyasan.
Dahon. First word, dahon.
Nature.
Kamay.
Kamay.
Daliri. Kamay. Kamay.
Palad.
Kuko. Ng agila.
Change
kuko,
artist. Go, Tosh.
Kuko.
Kamay. 10 mga daliri. Kamay at paa. 2 tenga.
Kamay.
5. Limang bibig.
Limang bibig.
Limang bibig. Oh, do, do, le, oh, do, do, le. ako'y may kasaysayan. Di ko yan nalaman. Yuruli, walang labis, walang kulay.
Dali lang.
Tang! Galing mo, Tang!
Wait. Merong sinasabi dito. Pakicheck nga sa taas kung ano sinabi. 5 gatang na sinabi.
7 gatang.
7 gatang. Okay.
Dito sa 7 gatang,
Sabi ni
nabawasan
Ryan.
ng 2.
Sabi ni Ryan.
5 gatang na lang.
5 lang daw ang narinig
So,
niya. 5. Okay, go.
So, nakawalo na silang points, right?
So, accepted, ha? Hindi,
Five and
hindi
six.
naman gata nga sinabi,
Oo.
ha? Okay, okay.
Okay.
8 points na ang red team.
Letter G.
Okay, Jean and Karen. Here we go. Timer's ready.
Ready? Go!
Go!
English. 2 word. 3 word. 3 word. English. Face. Dog. Mushroom. Dog. Sleeping. Sleeping. Dreams. Dreams.
Deep,
Dreams are dreams are made of. Dreams.
deeping a love tonight.
Bawal sumenyas.
Dreams. Sleeping. Sleep.
Deeping
Going,
inside.
going.
Yung third
30
word.
seconds. Change artist.
Yung third word. Yung third word. Third word. Third word. Sleep person. Dream boy. Dream. Mr. Dream
Mr.
Boy.
Dream Boy.
Mr. Dream Boy.
Deep,
Bed. Sleeping. Sleeping. Dreaming of
Dreaming
you.
of you.
Dreaming
Dreaming
of
of
you.
you.
Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
cause I'm dreaming of you tonight, that tomorrow
I'll be holding you tight.
and there's no one else in the world I'd rather be.
Cause we're in my heart, dreaming about you and me.
Pamalan, out of a possible... Tito Sen, out of a possible 12 points,
The movie Selena.
10 po ang nakuha ng ating red.
Alright.
Jennifer Lopez, starring Jennifer Lopez. Selena, the Mexican
Pwesto na.
singer.
Pwesto na.
Okay.
Change.
Change! Dito naman ang red, doon naman ang yellow.
1 and 2, maiwan na dito.
Because I'm dreaming.
3 to 6, kabila.
Okay,
Okay.
Yellow team, paalala ha.
Okay.
Isa lang ang na-miss ng red team.
10 points sila.
Bumunot na. Ang nabunot, letter N. Ready. Shh. Alert. Okay.
Yeah!
Wala.
Timer ready.
Ready. Go.
English. 2, 3, 4. 4 words.
4 words. Okay.
Forward.
First word.
Down, boat.
I.
I.
Okay.
You.
Me.
Me.
You. Me. Boy.
Boy.
Girl.
Man.
Last word.
Men?
Man.
Man.
Man in the mirror.
Oh!
I'm looking by the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his way. And no one says that there's any mirror.
If you wanna make a world the best to best,
And I'm gonna change.
Ba't parang nakikiyelo ka na?
tinutulungan ko sila.
Alright, Yellow team, start
Hindi na kasi, hindi na alam yung lyrics kasi.
3 and 4. 3 and 4.
Walang
2 points. Sana 3 and 4.
Walang additional yun, mamaalam pag tama yung lyrics.
2 points. 3 and 4. Bunot.
Next pair is Paolo and Eunice.
Letter I.
Napakiwi ka doon pa.
Okay.
Magaling na
Ready.
mag-drawing yan, ha?
Get set. Go.
English. 1, 2, 3.
3.
I.
Me. You.
I.
I.
School.
Going.
House.
House. Home. Going home. Home.
Church.
Church.
Church. Man.
Pastor. Preacher. Preacher.
Preach.
Preach.
Preacher. Baby.
Change artist.
Change.
Baby, infant.
Jesus in the manger.
Papa, don't preach!
Jesus.
Papa, don't preach.
Mayor, no coaching please.
Konti na lang. Moon.
Sounds like moon
Let's go
sound.
to church. Church is amazing. Church is the sun.
Papa, don't
Desert moon.
preach!
Desert moon.
Going to church. Preacher in church.
Church, man!
Ayan o. Sun and moon.
Hindi, ang kulang doon. Nung sinabi nilang father, dapat nag-ano kayo.
Tinuro nyo na tama.
Father and
Oh,
son.
correct.
Tinuro nyo lang
Yun.
Oo.
Hindi, tinuloy nila ang drawing eh. Dapat umuko sila.
It's not
Okay.
time to
Tsaka hindi natin
Wala,
alam yung
wala.
sun nila kung araw ba yan o anak.
3,
So ang word
5 and
ay
6. 5 and 6.
father and son.
5 and 6.
Ito na. Nakikita na si Arbony mag-drawing.
Okay, Arbony and KZ.
Magaling mag-drawing yan dito siya.
Okay.
There you go.
Letter A. Letter A.
Mayor.
O, teka.
Not yet. Excited. Excited.
Ready, get set, go.
English. 3 words.
3 words. Last word. Man. I. Man.
I. You.
You and I.
Girl.
Boy.
Man.
No, pwede,
Boy.
hindi pwede number.
Boy. Man.
Boy.
Man. Son.
You and I.
Man.
Take your time.
Circle. We.
We?
Us.
We are the world.
Third word.
One, the one.
One.
Man.
Change the...
Change artist. Go, KZ.
Hand. Second word.
3.
Mountain. 2.
To you.
Yeah.
Happy
You.
to you. To you daw. Ano yun?
I.
You and me.
Born
you and
for
I.
you.
You and my.
Hindi. To you eh. Happy
To
birthday.
you.
To you. Song na English to you.
To you.
Me to you.
I for you. Me for you.
Run to you. Run to you.
Run to you.
Run to you.
Sayang.
Close to you.
Close.
Dinrawing niyo uli kanina yung pinto. Sinara niyo naman.
Oo. Close to you.
Close to you.
Actually,
Binuksan
dinrawing
ko.
nila.
Dinrawing yung pinto. Sinara niyo naman. Close.
Sayang.
Dinrawing
Sayang
ni
ang daw
RB.
drawing kaya sounds like ng tuyo.
Tuyo.
Sa drawing ni RB, dalawang tao magkadikit. Yun
So,
ang,
paano
Speaking of fruits,
Okay. Next.
So, dagdag pa ng points sa red.
Okay, thank you very much, RB and KZ.
Correct. 1 and 2.
Okay.
Round 2.
excuse me, yung kinain namin kanina, paki-shake na, paki-ano. Paki-blender nga.
O, yellow, pwede pa. Laban pa.
Oh, mga yellow, alam nyo na.
Okay.
Please pick a word, Sam.
Relax yung red, oh.
Pahingin ng juice.
Wow!
Letter E.
Good luck sa red, ah.
Okay. Ready?
Timer ready. On your mark. Go.
English. 2 words.
Two words.
First word.
Coffin.
Box.
Cube.
Up. Stop.
Cube. Cube.
Building. Tower.
Building.
Building.
Okay.
Building.
Building.
Building together. Top floor.
Building blocks.
Rooftop. Build.
2 words
Building
lang po.
home.
Build. Buttercup.
Is it build?
Build.
Building.
Pond. Lake. River.
Tumbling down.
Water.
Building lake.
Water.
Concrete jungle.
New York.
Heart.
Heart.
Oh.
Ah.
Valentine's love.
Building.
City of love.
City. Tower.
Tower.
City.
Love. Romantic.
City. Love.
May building.
Hotel California.
Oh, hotel eh.
What is...
Welcome to the Hotel California.
Plus na naman sa red.
It's such a lovely place. It's such a lovely place. I live it up at the Hotel California. I Nandiyan pa naman si Freddie Mercury, oh.
Ano ba yun? 1 and 2 ba kayo?
Taray, may
Three and
pagkain
four.
yung red, oh.
3 and 4, masubukan natin.
Guys,
Three
for
and
formality
four.
sake sa lang to, ha?
Yeah, Paolo.
Eunice and Paolo.
Yes.
Okay.
Bunot agad.
Come on, salvage some pride, yellow team.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Yellow team, for formality sake sa lang to, ha? Alam mo na.
Okay, your word is?
Letter C. Ba't naman ang hirap mo?
English.
Okay.
Hala.
Sarap yan, Mayor.
Ready. Get set. Go.
English.
1, 2, 3.
3.
3 words.
I help you guys.
Hand.
1, 2, 2.
Close to you.
Yan.
Kanina yun.
Mayor, hello muna, ha?
You, 2.
2.
2.
Hey, you want some juice?
Board.
I'm thirsty.
TV.
Watching.
Television.
Watching.
2.
Next year, I'm 31.
Watching YouTube.
Watching TV, 2.
Turn.
Yeah.
Door.
The door. Close. Switch.
Key.
Turn.
Switch. What's the last one?
2.
Alam ko na yan.
Open.
2. Make it 2.
Make it with you. Make. Open it.
Control.
Ubos.
Remote.
Ubos.
Cause I am your
Ikaw yun. Ano sasabihin mo? Ano?
With the power
Ayan.
of 2. Ha? Mali.
Music.
Power of 2.
Di nyo alam yan. Pagbihira kayo, hindi ko rin alam yan.
So, 15 points na sa ano, ha, Red team. 100 points na.
Okay. 5 and 6. 5 and 6.
Okay,
Okay.
update lang ang yellow team sa round na to ay may 2 points pa rin.
Tapos ang red team, 100 points na.
Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa ba?
Kaya pa yan.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's eat muna.
Yellow team, good luck.
Sarap na
Okay,
kinakain.
our Bonnie and Casey again. Okay, RB, you got this. Go,
Letter
Casey.
H.
May pag-asa pa kayo next week.
Wala. Meron ba?
Okay. Ready.
Timer ready.
Get set. Go.
English,
2 words.
2 words.
World.
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 We are the world.
2 words.
World.
Words. We are the world.
Shout the world.
Dalawa lang pare. We word.
Fan.
Loud. Ano yan?
Top of the world.
2 words.
Loud. Shout out loud.
Shout. Scream.
Shout loud.
Loud.
O, palit.
Change artist. Go, Casey.
Yung first word, hirap si...
World.
First word.
Tama ba yung world?
Casey.
Tama yung world.
World. Okay.
Tama yung
My
world.
world, your world, his world, her world, our world,
Yan.
your world, our world. What first word?
World?
First word.
Yan.
Your world.
Scream world.
Loud.
Kaleidoscope world.
Kaleidoscope.
Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Biggest light.
Alam namin yun, kaya lang hindi na namin sinabi.
Take a look at the kaleidoscope in the world. It is kaleidoscope world.
Alam namin.
Ay, hirap!
10 points ang red team, ang yellow 2 points. Ibig sabihin yan, ang total na ng red ay 20, ang yellow ay 10. Tignan natin kung kayang humabol sa Game 3.
Ah, kasi may
Ang
game 3 pa.
Ang Game 3, ang winner, 20 points.
Doon kami natalo.
Itutuloy natin ang palaro na walang kapares sa pagbabalik ng Eat Bulaga
Bulaga!
Olympics.
We'll be right back, guys. Don't go away.
Every color, every hue
representing Manila you.
Unang kaparis ang 2024 Itbulaga Olympics. Leading ang red team, Tito Sen.
Magkakaalaman na dito sa final round. Yellow and red team. Ito na ang game 3. Dahil ang ang red team ang lamang, sila una.
Correct.
Okay,
ang gagawin lang, crawl like a baby. Magkaparis pa rin dito. Susuot sa karton, gagapang papunta sa parking, sa katatakbo papunta sa base. Kapag kumpleto na, tumalon ng sabay-sabay, papunta sa finish line. May isang member na magiging driver.
Alright, ang team na pinakamabilis makatawid sa finish line, ang siyang panalo.
I-blindfold muna natin, mauna ang
Red team.
red team. Blindfold
Pwesto.
muna ang yellow.
Pwesto na, red team. Sino una? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1 and 2.
Pwesto na, 1 and 2.
Okay.
Okay, blindfold muna yung yellow.
Crowd
Dalawa ang
like a
driver.
baby. Call. Ready?
Ready?
Red team, ready. Get set. Go.
Hop, hop, hop. Diretso pa.
Atras ka muna, Mayor. Atras.
Ayun, Mayor, atras ka muna. Naiipit mo.
Natatapakan mo.
Ayan. Ayun pala yun, Tito Sen, hindi pwedeng
Apakan.
magmadali.
Takbo!
Okay.
Next! Okay! Last!
Hop, hop, hop. Not yet.
Okay. Go.
He goes through. Next game.
Hindi pwede ba tumalbog yung bola? Balik!
Sa loob.
Yan na.
Oops! Tumalbog ko yung bola!
Balik, balik.
Halfway through, red team. Two minutes na.
Oops! Nahulog ko yung bola!
Almost there. One more. Okay.
Ang time ng red ay 2.24. 2 minutes, 24 seconds.
Alright.
Kanina pares-pares lang ang nasubukan. Ngayon, buong teamwork ang
Correct. O, yellow team, get ready.
Alright, go.
Time to beat is 2 minutes and 24 seconds.
So, ganun pa rin. Pares-pares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6.
If you're ready, let's go, yellow.
Easy. Hintay mo muna. Hintay mo. Atras. Atras ka, atras.
Okay.
Pair number 2, let's go! Paolo and Eunice.
Yan,
Ni
ganyan.
Paolo.
Tulin, ang tulin.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Next.
pair number 3. Here we go. RB and KZ. Mayor!
Okay yun. Kaliwa. Derecho.
Okay, here we go. Next. All right, here we go. And they're moving. Time update, 1 minute, 50 seconds.
Yung pa, wala na sa trapal, lumalabas na eh. Umaakbang na lang mag-isa eh. Oh, wala, oh. 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 Lumalagpas eh. Oh. Wala na hindi nakalagay yung pa dito, oh. Oh, wala pa!
Okay.
Nakalabas yung paa eh. Yung nasa harap, wala na sa trapal, ganun lang ng ganun. Paano nangyari ang bagay na yan? Sabing ganun, oh. 1, 2, 3, jump. Andun yung trapal eh.
2 minutes, 24 seconds. Teka muna. Ay, ibig mo sabihin, Mayor, may protesta.
Ha?
May protesta ka.
O, sige. Ano po?
May protesta ka?
Ang protesta ko, ilang oras sila, Tito Sen?
Hindi ko muna. May protesta ka ba?
Wala.
Wala pala.
Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag na.
Kasi kung may protesta ka, ulitin natin.
Huwag na tayo protesta.
Ayan. Dahil yung red, 2 minutes, 24 seconds.
Ang yellow?
Yellow, 2 minutes, 54 seconds.
Yo!
Grand Slam, Tito Sen.
Ako, teka
Round
muna.
1, 2, and 3. Red ang panalo.
20 points pa naman yung round huli.
With 40 points, panalo ang red team. Congratulations. Lahat na may hawak na red, meron kayong tigpa 5,000. Tatlo.
Ayan,
Tatlo sa inyo.
Ito na po.
Ayan. Bolot.
Tatlong winners of 5,000 pesos na kumampi sa red team.
Number 30. Sansi 30. Baba. Number 27. Baba ka rin dyan. And 86. 86. Ayun si Kuya. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Uppercuts. Dahil yung kinampihan nyo, team ang nanalo, panalo kayo ng tig 5,000 pesos.
Correct.